Hey YouTube, quick video after the fact. This iPad is already fixed, but originally it came to me as no touch. And I checked another good screen, same thing. Then I started exploring around the Touch IC chips. I was actually measuring all these elements in the diode mode, all around the Touch IC chips, and I didn't see anything abnormal. Thermal camera though was showing a little bit of heat in this area when the EMI shield was on, so I didn't really have much to lose. I cut the shield off, and actually what was going on is this chip was heating up, and according to the schematics, it actually was connecting to these capacitors. However, also the thing is, the capacitors, if you put it in a diode mode, they were shown normal value, kinda. It was 0.250 volts in the diode mode, so I did not pay attention to those originally, to that particular line. The line is 15V0 underscore touch underscore LDO. But however, when I was checking them in the resistance mode, they were showing, I think it was like 250 ohms of resistance. So that was kind of weird. But anyway, so this chip was basically connected. I was just checking where those lines goes to, and the main line was actually these three capacitors. So applying, I was actually, even though it says 15V, which means I would assume 15 volt, I only injected 1 volt here, and this cap was glowing. So if you have this kind of issue, I would say check this area, 15V0 underscore touch underscore LDO. But as I said, it threw me off because I was checking the diode mode, and the diode mode was showing a pretty normal value. So that's why it took me a little longer to figure out what's going on here. Well, the shield had to be removed anyway, but the normal value for this, they should not be in the resistance mode. It should be kilo ohms, not ohms. So thanks very much for watching. I hope it might help someone messing with this kind of issue. And have a lovely day, guys. Bye.